Toyota Australia recalls 70,000 vehicles, RAV4 Hybrid and more affected. Breaking news, a staggering 70,000 Toyota vehicles recalled in Australia. Is yours on the list? In a shocking move, Toyota Australia has issued a massive recall of almost 70,000 vehicles, including the popular RAV4 Hybrid, due to a potentially faulty digital instrument cluster. But here's where it gets concerning. The issue may cause the speedometer and other vital information to disappear from the display, increasing the risk of accidents. So, what's behind this alarming problem? According to Toyota, the issue affects certain cars produced between July 2022 and April 2025, with a total of 69,586 vehicles impacted. The affected models include the CHR Hybrid, Camry Hybrid, Corolla Hatch, Corolla Sedan, Corolla Cross, GR Corolla, GR Yaris, Kluger, and RAV4. The root cause of the issue lies in the improper programming of the combination meter, which causes unnecessary data to be repeatedly written to a memory device. This leads to the memory device deteriorating earlier than intended, resulting in a blank display when the vehicle starts. And this is the part most people miss. The problem is not just a minor glitch, but a serious safety concern that can put drivers and passengers at risk. But don't panic just yet. Toyota Australia has assured owners that affected vehicles are safe to drive, and the company will contact all owners to arrange for a free software update. The update process is expected to take between 1 to 2.5 hours, depending on the model. However, this raises an important question: how could such a critical issue have gone undetected for so long? And what does this say about the quality control measures in place at Toyota? We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Do you think Toyota has done enough to address the issue, or is this a case of too little, too late? Share your opinions in the comments below. In the meantime, if you're an affected owner with questions or concerns, Toyota recommends contacting your local dealer or the Toyota Recall Campaign helpline on 1-800-987-366. And if you're in the market for a new car, be sure to check the vehicle identification number, VIN, list to ensure your dream ride isn't on the recall list. Toyota Recall Alert: 70,000 vehicles at risk. What you need to know. A significant recall is underway for a wide range of popular vehicles. Nearly 70,000 Toyota cars sold in Australia are being recalled due to a potential issue that could affect their safety. This recall encompasses a variety of models, including well-known sedans, hatchbacks, and SUVs, making it a matter of concern for many drivers. On Tuesday, Toyota Australia announced that approximately 69,586 vehicles sold in the country between July 2022 and April 2025 are involved in this urgent recall. It's important to note that not every vehicle sold during this period is affected, but the recall specifically includes popular models such as the Corolla and Camry Hybrids, the Kluger Hybrid, and the RAV4 Hybrid. The recall notice highlights a potential fault with the 12.3-inch display located on the instrument panel. This display can sometimes appear blank when the vehicle is started, which poses a significant risk. As stated in the notice, driving without a speedometer and any warning indicators may lead to an increased risk of an accident under certain driving conditions. This is a critical point that many drivers might overlook, as the display typically provides essential information, including warning lights, vehicle gauges, and important messages. To resolve this issue, affected vehicles will need a programming update. The problem arises from the system improperly writing unnecessary data to the memory of the meter, causing it to deteriorate sooner than expected. The repair process is estimated to take between 1 to 2.5 hours. For those who own the affected vehicles, Toyota has reassured them that they can continue to drive your car while waiting for the necessary fix. However, they are encouraged to reach out to a dealer or a recall hotline if they experience any issues with the display. A comprehensive list of the affected models is available on the Toyota website, which includes the CHR Hybrid, Camry Hybrid, Corolla Hatch Hybrid, Corolla Sedan Hybrid, Corolla Hatch Petrol, Corolla Sedan Petrol, Corolla Cross Hybrid, Corolla Cross Petrol, GR Yaris, GR Corolla, Kluger Petrol, Kluger Hybrid, RAV4 Petrol, and RAV4 Hybrid. This situation raises important questions about vehicle safety and manufacturer responsibility. Are recalls like this a sign of a larger issue within the automotive industry? What steps can consumers take to ensure their vehicles remain safe? We invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Toyota Australia recalls nearly 70,000 cars, dashboard fault explained. In a significant move, Toyota Australia has declared a recall affecting 69,586 vehicles across the nation, which includes popular models such as the CHR, Camry, Corolla, including the sporty GR Corolla, Corolla Cross, GR Yaris, Kluger, and RAV4. This recall is due to a malfunction that may cause the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster to go blank, leaving drivers without crucial information. The Japanese automotive giant explained that these vehicles are fitted with a combination meter system that displays various essential information, including warning lights, vehicle gauges, and messages, all on a 12.3-inch monitor located in the instrument panel. However, a programming error in the combination meter leads to unnecessary data being written repeatedly to its memory device. This excessive writing can cause the memory to wear out prematurely. If this issue arises, the display will fail to activate when the ignition is turned on, resulting in a blank screen. This situation poses a serious risk, as driving without a functioning speedometer or warning indicators could increase the likelihood of accidents under certain conditions. Toyota has reassured owners of the affected vehicles that they can continue to drive their cars for the time being. However, it strongly encourages them to reach out to their preferred dealership to arrange for the necessary recall service. In cases where the combination meter remains blank upon starting the vehicle, owners are advised to contact their local dealer for assistance. The remedy for this recall is expected to take between 60 to 150 minutes to complete, although owners may need to leave their vehicles at the dealership for a longer duration. For those interested in the specific model years and vehicle identification numbers, VINs, affected by this recall, a detailed list is available on Toyota's official press release page. Jordan Mulak, an experienced Australian motoring journalist with a rich background in motorsport reporting, highlights the importance of staying informed about such recalls. As a leading voice in automotive news, he combines his industry knowledge with a genuine passion for cars, sim racing, and all things related to motoring. What do you think about this recall? Do you believe that manufacturers should be held accountable for such programming errors? Share your thoughts in the comments below.